Welcome to Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial, while you're installing the window, once again, it's a go back after restarting in a menu. Then, what kind of the strategy you have to manage to complete installation of your any operating system by virtue of USB bootable device. So let's see. Here, see guys, after completing 100%, it will restart and it will go once again in menu, not coming creation of username as well as the password. Then what you have to do, just I will tell you in this video tutorial. Now see guys, at the moment it's restarting. Now see, it's now once again on. Now see guys, this is a problem. Once again it come in a menu to reinstall the once again from initial stage. So what I will do here, just simply I will eject off this USB pen drive, and now I will simply cut from here and I will go for restart it. So I will select the language first of all, then I will go for cut. Now see guys, when it's restarting, then when the window logo now it comes, then you have to insert USB pen drive. Now see what will happen. It's still didn't catch up, but however, see what will happen. If once again it will go in a menu, then once again I will do similar procedure. Now see guys, this is good news that it has taken now for the completion of absolute window installation in your USB or pen drive. Why it is so? Now see, the starting service has been reflected on my display of this laptop. So this is a strategy that you have to manage to installation of the complete operating system in any window drive, in any device. So now see guys, getting ready and getting device ready, approximately 50% is done. So this is way to manage if the error as well as the problem that coming on your laptop or PC in an installation of the window. So you have to solve in this way especially. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys, and how do you like this video tutorial? So just you have to leave feedback below the comment box, and if this video has been acknowledged to you in any way in the information technology field, then you have to leave the comment, like, subscribe to my channel, so because this is the thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for education purposes guys. So thank you, have a great time, bye bye.